Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to pay with Clearpay on eBay. Firstly, open your eBay account in a web browser or on eBay mobile app. Here, browse for items you wish to purchase. Click on the items to see its full details including price, condition, and specifications. When you have found the items you want to buy, proceed to checkout, so click on Add to Cart. You can also continue with Buy It Now. After that, you might be asked to sign in order to continue. On the checkout, you will see all the payment methods available to pay on eBay. At checkout, select Afterpay from the list of payment methods. Keep this in mind that Afterpay and Clearpay are the same thing. In some regions, it is called Afterpay, while in others, it is Clearpay. After that, review your order and delivery details, then select Pay with Afterpay. Sign in to your Afterpay account or sign up. Review your installment plan and payment details with Afterpay. Select Continue to place your order. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.